Hi there, Aquarians. This is your next 10 days reading. I'm going to look at the new energies which are happening because of the planetary transits which are going to happen in the first half of the September, and how they are going to affect you. I will not talk about the planets and the language of astrology. I'll be talking with the help of tarot cards how and which energies are coming in, which energies will give you a spurt, a blast to go forward, which energies will block your path. So I will be discussing these things. So before I start on the tarot reading, I will talk about the angel's message which has come to you for the next 10 days, the mantra which you need to hear. So this is a card which fell out from the oracle's deck, and it says, face your financial fears. When you are honest with yourself about fears of success or failure, they can no longer control you. Be free of hidden fears by exposing them to the light of awareness, and you will realize that you, in fact, have nothing to fear, and that every successful person has struggled with and released these self doubts. So, release your self doubts, release your fears, release your financial fears, put it in the forefront, and you will know that it cannot, make your life difficult any longer. So, this is the mantra you are getting for the next 10 days. This reading is for those Aquarians who are born between the dates of 22nd of January to 22nd of February. So this is for the sun sign of zodiac sign of Aquarius. So there should not be any confusion, because people ask me about their moon sign, about the ascendant, about this and that. So it is directly applicable to the zodiac sign of the sun sign of Aquarius. So the first energy which I see, the crowning energy, is of Three of Cups. Three of Cups means healing. Three of Cups means celebration. So there is going to be something which will give you joy, something which will give you sense of accomplishment, something you will be, maybe some of you from the recent past have been working on yourself and you have done a certain amount of healing. So your crowning energy is Three of Cups. So you will be in a good, vibration. The vibration is good, the vibration is of celebration, vibration is of happiness. So healing, happiness is your overall energy. So the first card which signifies one significant energy is of Ten of Cups. This means accomplishment, this means happiness, this means getting your Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups means all the emotions will be in alignment with yourself. You will be happy in your life, you will be happy with your family, you will be happy with your job. So emotional fulfillment is seen as we start this 10 days the from today. So you are in your Ten of Cups, you have achieved something, you have successfully moved forward in your life, and you are starting on a great situation. So you are starting with an energy of Ten of Cups. For some of you, this Ten of Cups will come in the next 10 days. So you will see the indications, you will see how you are transitioning towards these Ten of Cups. So it is definitely happening for you guys. And why it is happening is because you will be taking your work a bit lightly, you will be taking things which are pressing on you a bit lightly. With your Four of Swords card, this means you will be taking time off, you will be doing introspection, doing meditation, taking breaks in between your work, breaks in between your pressing situations. You will be in your energy, that is King of Swords. King of Swords Aquarian energy, you will be in this means that you will be analytical, logical in your thinking, you will be understanding your things better, you will have control, you will have control over decisions which you will be taking in the next 10 days, or you have come with this mindset in these 10 days, and you have made some good decision. Because of that, you are getting your Ten of Cups. So this is the energy I am seeing, which are the first cards which fell out. So this is the energy you are starting with. Then I see your energy in something. You will be in your Knight of Swords mode. This is also your air sign mode, or this could be a significant air sign around you. This person means this person has lot of energy. This person is very fast. This person is very furious. This person goes towards anything with focus and goal in mind. This person accomplishes thing. So clarifying this card is the Five of Wands. This means some troubles, some conflict situation. So the conflict situation is taken care of by your air energy of the Knight of Swords. So you have control over it, you have charged ahead, and mitigated this problem, you have controlled this problem, you have put this descent down. So there, whatever descent has taken place, if someone has gone haywire in your group or in your setup of work, in your colleagues, if they are your colleagues, if they are your family members, you have been able to control those competitive forces, those forces, negative forces, those conflicting forces. So you have been able to control these, reconstruct the things which had fallen down. So you have been able to control this energy of conflict with your Knight of Swords energy. I see that you are getting into a situation of hope and healing. This is also your Aquarius card. This is showing that either a significant Aquarian is with you, so Aquarius partnering is happening, or your own energy is showing that you are very optimistic, you are hopeful about anything which is happening in your life. If you have set up a goal, you are optimistic about it, you are charging ahead with lot of optimism. This is what is showing in your energies. So you are taking in the positive energy of optimism. If you were feeling pessimistic in the recent past, you will be feeling optimistic, you will be feeling hopeful, you will be going towards your goal, and the divine will guide you towards it, the divine star will guide you towards it. You are like a star right now, you are shining bright, you are showing path to many of your fellow members of people around you, your family members. So you are showing, you are like a mentor, you are giving hope to people. So either you are being hopeful in your individual situation, or you are giving hope to a group. So this is what I see in your general energies, Aquarians. I also see that maybe in love life or general life, you are charging ahead with focus, you are moving on. So some of you will be closing some relationship which was toxic, or you were not giving enough importance to something in your life. You will be charging towards that with the Chariot card. This means being in focus, being single minded about something, and trying going towards it with success in mind. So you will be in this Chariot mode, or a significant Scorpio is around you who is taking you forward in your path of success. So I see successful going ahead in love life, in general life, in family life, in love life, so in your career life. So this is what I see for you, that you are moving on. So some of you will be changing jobs, some of you will be taking up a new job, getting appointment. So things are moving for you fast. So things are moving for you fast, and you are charging ahead as the Knight of Sword and in this Chariot mode. So some of you are getting new jobs, some of you are getting into a new relationship, some of you are accomplishing things for your family, some of you are traveling. So this is a travel card as well. This is saying that any struggles, any obstacles will be overcome with this Chariot. So this is moving on with your mind and moving on physically. So some of you will be relocating, some of you will be taking up a travel. So I see fast travel for you, maybe air travel, maybe fast mode of transport. So this is going to come to fruition in the next 10 days, or you will see the indications if you had to get a visa or a permit or a passport, you will be getting that because it will help you in your travel. I also see that you are, guarded in your affairs, you are guarded in your love affairs, you are showing you have love, and maybe you are judging people with your energy, and there is a significant, fire sign around you, or this could be your energy of Queen of Swords and Emperor. So you are either coupling with the fire sign and Aries, or you Aries or Taurus, or you are embodying these energies again. So these could be your energies around you. This could be a boss, this could be a person who is helping you in going ahead. So I see overall positivity. People surrounding you are helping you right now, nobody is against you. So people who were feeling that in their work situation there was a dissent happening, or things were not happening the way you wanted, competition was there, or jealousy or conflicts were there, those will be taken care of, because your boss or a lady of the air sign will be around you, who will be able to, the feminine energy and the masculine energy both will be able to help you with your goals, with your projects, with your affairs. So this is what I see. I see a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, emotions coming in. Someone is going to offer you emotions in love. Someone is going to bring in love for you. Someone is coming towards you. So you are charging ahead towards something. Someone is coming towards you. So this could be a mutual relationship which is flourishing, and you will be taking a decision regarding a duality, a dual relationship, or a dual work, or something like that, and you will be making a decision going forward into one thing. You will take one thing, or you are concerned about your finances and you will be getting some offer which will help you in regaining balance in your finances. Some of you are waiting for something to happen with the Three of Wands, fire energy. So you are waiting for something to happen, something from distance. You are awaiting a person who will come and join you, or you are awaiting your goods to come to you in business, contracts to come to you, or some offer to come to you. So either you are in a long term relationship, or you are expecting someone to join you, or you are expecting some rewards from past investments which are going to come to you. So there is a waiting energy which is happening in the next 10 days. So what is the outcome? The outcome looks good. Outcome looks that you will be able to accomplish something. For some of you, you will be committing to something, committing to a partnership, committing to a love situation, going into a long term commitment. Some of you will be buying or selling property. Some of you will be achieving something, some accomplishment will take place, some success will happen, some promotion, some award, some this card shows reaping of benefits. So you are going to reap some benefit in terms of money, or in terms of your abundance, which will be added to your overall wealth situation. Some of you will get married, some of you will get committed to a through an engagement, or through marriage ceremony. So there is going to be a ceremony, there is going to be a function, you can be felicitated also. So take it as it resonates, Aquarius, because this is going to happen for some of you, not for every one of you. So this is happening for some of you. I see overall very, very good energy. I see optimism, I see happiness, I see focus, I see going ahead with proper focus in mind, celebrations happening, waiting for things which are potentially positive, they will come to you. Some of you are going to start new relationships, so there will be a commitment. Some of you are going to work very hard and get compensated or awarded for or rewarded for it. So I see beautiful energy. I see a bit of, for some of you, you are seeking advice or seeking wisdom for something which is going on in your life, maybe a decision which you want to take, you want to overcome the imbalance situation, some of you. So you will be taking some advice from a Virgo maybe, or someone who is in a hermit mode, someone who has lot of wisdom, or you will be working on yourself, getting into the hermit mode, thinking about your life, thinking about, you are taking time off also in between with the Four of Swords, so you will be in this hermit mode. So by the end of 10 days, I see that you will be in a situation wherein you will bring in balance with wisdom, and you will not give up on things you want to do, because you will be very focused, you will be going ahead. Some of you will be taking travel. So I see overall success, I see overall progress in love life, I see culmination and commitment in your love life or general life. So this is what I see. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe, Aquarians. And last time in an Aquarian reading, I had said Capricorn once, so some of you had pointed out. So that was a slip of tongue, so it can happen, but the reading was for you. So whenever these things happen, please just have an open mind regarding that. So thank you very much, and I wish you all the best, and keep watching my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.